So this looks like it's the female cardinal who's very patiently waiting for food. But hey, I was out taking video of your... Wait, I'm not getting her in there that I can see. There she is. She's not... She didn't fly away. Whoops. Whoops. Hey, I've seen your cousins out and about today on my car. Look at that. I've seen like 5. If I point the camera. Look at that. How many cardinals have I seen today up close and personal? Isn't this... But this is a female, and she's waiting patiently for food, so I will feed her before I go downstairs and put my body up. And she's not flying away, so there's some trust there. But if you see one of the videos I'm going to post before this one, there was a cardinal on my car. So this is so freaking amazing. What an amazing day. So let me park the car, get some food for these guys, do a few more videos, I guess, and then I can go downstairs and put my body up. Isn't this awesome? Can we make you bigger? Look at that. Look at her little mouth. Her little beaks. Her little beaks. She's only got one beak. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? This is only day 5 of this here, and it's such a great start. But let me get a photo.